This Victoria Day long weekend, immerse yourself in the beauty and excitement of the Niagara Falls region. Join us for a series of unforgettable adventures and events designed for everyone. Start your journey with our Niagara Falls Day and Evening Tour. Experience the majestic falls up close, both under the sunlight and the starlit sky. Or hop on the Toronto to Niagara Falls Day Tour. Travel in comfort from the city and spend a day exploring one of the world's natural wonders. Looking for a more personalized experience? Our Niagara Falls Private Tour offers an exclusive and tailored adventure just for you and your loved ones. Don't miss the Welland Victoria Day fireworks for a dazzling display that lights up the night sky, celebrating the holiday in style. The excitement continues with the Victoria Day weekend fireworks over the breathtaking Niagara Falls. A spectacle of colors and lights you won't want to miss. As night falls, witness the Illumination of Niagara Falls, a stunning light show that transforms the water into a canvas of rainbow hues. Set sail on the Niagara City Cruises Fireworks Cruise. Glide along the water as fireworks illuminate the sky above the roaring falls. Thrill seekers will love the Whirlpool jet boat tours. Brace yourself for a heart-pounding ride through the Niagara Gorge's Class 5 whitewater rapids. And for a unique perspective, take the Zipline to the falls. Soar over the Great Gorge, with the mist from the falls below and the horizon stretching beyond. This Victoria Day, make memories that last a lifetime. Join us in the Niagara Falls region for a weekend filled with wonder and excitement. Book your Niagara Falls tour today.